This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about knives, specifically these comfy grip gray stainless steel 9-piece knife set with holder. And you can see it comes with 9 knives and the holder as a set, but the knives themselves can also be purchased individually, or you can purchase the set of 9 knives without the holders. So you have some different options based on what your specific needs are. They all feature stainless steel blades and a nice comfort grip handle. You can see you have this wonderful handle that's made from TPE plastic. They're gray, they have a nice ergonomic shape, and even just a little bit of a texture up there by that hilt, so it gets a nice grip, which is really easy on the hands. The set includes the holder, a 6.5-inch vegetable knife, 8-inch boning knife, 12-inch slicing knife, a 6-inch boning knife, an 8-inch carving knife, 7-inch santoku knife, 10-inch chef's knife, 8-inch bread knife, and finally an 8-inch chef's knife as well, giving you a wonderful, versatile set of knives that can really handle any task in your kitchen. The stand itself is made of ash wood, so it's nice and sturdy and durable, and you can see it has this beautiful coffee finish that almost gives it a black look, right? So it's a wonderful, dark, deep neutral color that's really going to work well with any kitchen, and also serves as a nice secure way to store your knives and keep them in great condition. The ergonomic handles on the knives themselves are perfect for easing strain on hands and helping to reduce fatigues, especially if you're working long days in a kitchen environment. And you've got the perfect variety of knives for a multitude of tasks, whether that's slicing, dicing, chopping, things like fruit and veg, working with various meats, or even just slicing bread and pastries. You've got pretty much everything you need in a really well-rounded set. The premium stainless steel gives you clean cuts and helps to maintain that sharpness for a long-lasting use. The knives are dishwasher safe, making for really easy cleanup, and this is a perfect set to use in any kitchen, whether that's by a professional or amateur chef.